What does it take for a luxury motorhome to remain the best-selling 43-foot diesel floor plan for more than a decade? Not the biggest engine, not the flashiest gadgets, and surprisingly, not even the highest price tag. The 2026 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 has earned its reputation by mastering something far more difficult, creating a coach that feels less like an RV and more like a custom-built luxury home on wheels that completely transforms the driving experience. And most people don't even realize it until they're behind the wheel. Stay with us, because by the end of this tour, you'll understand why the Dutch Star 4369 continues to set the benchmark for luxury diesel motorhomes. Introduction. Luxury isn't measured by expensive materials or impressive technology. It's measured by how a motorhome makes you feel after weeks or months on the road. And that's exactly where the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 stands apart. Measuring 43 feet 9 inches, this premium diesel pusher is built on either a Freightliner custom chassis or Spartan K2 chassis, producing 450 horsepower and 1,250 pound-feet of torque. Combined with a tag axle, it delivers improved stability and confidence for long-distance travel. But numbers only tell part of the story. The reason this coach has remained Newmar's most popular 43-foot diesel floor plan for more than a decade is its ability to combine luxury, comfort, and everyday practicality. Exterior design. The Dutch Star 4369 makes a powerful first impression. Its automotive-inspired styling, premium full-body paint, and elegant exterior lines create a refined appearance that represents Newmar's craftsmanship. But this coach is built for more than looks. The heavy-duty tag axle chassis improves handling, weight balance, and stability, whether you're crossing highways, climbing mountain roads, or traveling hundreds of miles in a single day. Storage is another major advantage. Large basement compartments provide space for camping equipment, outdoor furniture, tools, bicycles, and everything needed for extended adventures. For travelers who enjoy off-grid journeys, an available Dometic freezer adds extra food storage without sacrificing convenience. Outdoor entertainment is also impressive. With the patio awning extended, the exterior entertainment center transforms your campsite into a private lounge featuring a 43-inch television and Bose soundbar. Driver's Cockpit. At the center of the experience is Newmar's Comfort Drive adaptive steering system. This advanced technology automatically adjusts steering assistance, reducing driver fatigue and making a 43-foot motorhome feel surprisingly easy to control. Long highway drives become smoother. Crosswinds require fewer corrections, and every journey feels more relaxed. Safety technology includes Mobileye lane tracking and departure system, while the available OnGuard collision mitigation. Adaptive cruise system adds extra confidence during long-distance travel. The cockpit also features a valid digital dashboard, Gazite infotainment system, Harman JBL premium audio system, wireless charging, and available heated driver and passenger seats. Living area. The moment the entrance door closes, the outside world disappears. The living area features an 87-inch hide-a-bed sofa, a 74-inch jackknife sofa, and optional theater seating for a premium entertainment experience, keeping the interior clean and elegant. Handcrafted suede maple cabinetry adds a residential feel, while electric radiant floor heating provides extra comfort during colder mornings. Gourmet Kitchen. Kitchen is designed for travelers who enjoy cooking. Unlike many RV kitchens, this space focuses on real usability, a pull-out countertop. Extension provides additional preparation space when needed. The kitchen includes an all-electric, recessed induction cooktop and a 30-inch stainless steel convection microwave. With built-in air fryer, an optional dishwasher, drawer makes cleanup easier, while the massive 19.7 cubic foot Whirlpool residential refrigerator provides plenty of room for groceries and beverages. Spacious pantry keeps everything organized. For extended trips, this is not just a beautiful kitchen, it's a kitchen built for life on the road. Master Suite. Bathroom, private master suite with a king-sized bed, pillow top mattress, Samsung LED television, multiple wardrobes, and a lighted safe. The bedroom feels closer to a luxury hotel than a traditional RV. The bathroom continues that residential experience. The bath and a half design allows guests to use a convenient half bath while keeping the rear ensuite private. Inside, you'll find a dual sink vanity, solid surface countertops, and a spacious 50 by 34-inch shower with cathedral ceiling. The Aquamizer shower system helps conserve water, while Chinook dual loop heat provides continuous hot water. For full-time travelers, in an available washer and dryer adds even more convenience. Conclusion. Coach, it doesn't try to impress with unnecessary features. It simply does everything exceptionally well, and that's why the Newmar Dutch Star 4369 continues to set the standard for luxury homes on wheels. If you were designing your dream motorhome, which feature would matter most? The bath and a half layout, the gourmet kitchen, or the private master suite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more premium luxury RV tours and motorhome reviews, because the next coach we explore might just be your dream home on wheels.